Hey YouTube family, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. I got something in the mail and I want to share it with you because I'm going to be making something brand new. I bought something, Betty Crocker, you know Betty and I go way back. Anyway, they don't even sell this anymore. I got this off eBay. It's never been used. Box is a little beat up as you'll see. But it's the Betty Crocker Bake and Fill Bundtform Bake Set. So basically, you make a bundt cake, but the inside has a filling. So let's take it out and we'll see what's all is in here. And I've already looked at it. It does have all the pieces in here and it's never been used. Here's the little booklet that came with it. Trying to get this all out. Okay. Just looking to see if I see the fill line in here. Okay, I think that's it. So again, this is your bundt cake pan. This is the insert. Sits on top like that, and you line up this on both sides. So let's do that one that didn't have lined up. Let's try it again. Okay. Now they're lined up. Yep. And it locks into place. Okay. So you bake your cake in there. They call this the batter base pan. This is the center piece for the base pan. Looks like it just sits in there like that. Yeah. And you pour your base of your cake in here and you bake it in there. So when you're baking in the oven, you'll have this base pan in there and you'll have your bundt cake in there. Okay, at the same time baking. And when you bring them out, of course you're gonna cool them. It says not to take the cake out of here yet, but leave it in here. And of course you're gonna twist this off and you'll have a center hollowed in here. And this is where you're gonna put your filling. Fruit, pudding, frosting, whatever you wanna put in that center piece. So once it's cooled and your base is cooled, you put your filling in there. Then you'll turn the base out and put it in there. You know, the base is not in here, of course. You've taken it out, you put it on top, then you flip it. And then, you know, you're gonna have it on a cake dish and it goes into the freezer or the refrigerator, wherever, so it can fully cool and that your center can fully, you know, set. And that's how you make a bundt with a surprise in it. And here's the instructions they have on the back of the box. Pour your batter to the fill line inside the bundt pan. Place the insert, and again, it locks into place. Put the little centerpiece on the base pan. Pour your batter into the base pan. You're gonna bake them both. When it comes out and it's cool, you'll feel the hollow that's in the bundt pan. See, they're putting in there, I think that's pudding, that's what it looks like. And you've taken the base pancake out, here it is, and you put it on top. You cover it with your cake plate or plate, flip it, and there's the finished product. And this is where they've shown where they made two cakes here. This one has a filling in it, and so does this. So, my question to you all, do you have one of these? Did you ever have one? And if you did, what did you make with it? I'm thinking about making, I don't know if I want to make a chocolate cake with chocolate pudding, but I'm going to do something. Or maybe put frosting in there. A lot of the recipes in the book they were showing had ice cream. Don't know if I want ice cream in there. But yeah, a lot of the recipes in here were showing ice cream. So, Can't wait to bake something in there. Of course, I'm going to record it and share it with you all. But let me know in the comments. Again, do you have one of these? Did you ever have one? What did you think of it? And what did you make with it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking with Buffy. Love you guys.